Time for a new blade.
This is not my normally scheduled video stuff for this particular channel, but I thought I wanted to share it out to you as the viewer, for anybody who's working on a deck. If you have an attention span of a 5-year-old, this is not a video for you. This is kind of a detailed video to show you how to fix deck boards that don't screw in properly. That's all I can explain, or how it is. There's two different scenarios that I ran into with my deck trying to fix it. One scenario basically is I was able to unscrew all the screws on the deck, able to pull the deck board out, and able to get in there to fix the problem. And the second scenario is I was unable to unscrew all the wood screws that they're stuck where I can't get the drill bit in there, and I was only able to pry up the wood board about that much. Disclaimer, and this is my solution to this problem, and I hope this helps somebody out there.
It's like a family tree, part of you